A large Medicare insurance company just got kicked out of 2 different states. What I mean kicked out is the government, Medicare, said, hey, you no longer have a contract to sell insurance in these 2 states. Why would they do that? Because their star rating. When you buy a Medicare Advantage plan or drug plan, the government has a 5-star rating system. And it's based on customer satisfaction. There's a lot of different criteria it's based on, but customer satisfaction, complaints, those are big drivers of that. So if a plan has 3 stars or less for 3 or more years, the government says, no, thank you. We don't really need you in the market anymore. And that company has to leave. They have to exit. And all their policyholders have to go find a new policy. So that's kind of cool that you know that the government has some safeguards. It's not just capitalism free for all. Anybody that wants to have an insurance company and go out there and market it. No, they have to hit performance standards, the 5 stars. And if they get a lot of stars, the government gives them more money. So that's why it's a big deal when you have a 4 or 5-star plan. They can have a lot of extra bells and whistles because they're getting extra money from the government as a thank you for doing a good job. And if you get a plan and it has a lower rating or the rating is going down, that company starts to get desperate. And that's the company that's calling you all the time to see if you're happy and answer your questions because they need you to be satisfied to stop their star ratings from going down. So we don't have something like this on the Medicare supplement side. That's not controlled by the federal government. That's through your states. But with federal Medicare Advantage, private Medicare Advantage, it's not a free-for-all. There are some safeguards in place to help protect you, the Medicare beneficiary. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.